Hello, this is Hero Creeper here. Today, I got another song. I don't know why this song. Don't ask me. I feel like I need to listen to or do this song, and I hope this works better than last time. I hope it doesn't give me a migraine, because, geez, that last time with Breathe, that song gave me a headache. I had to play it so loud, and I've gotten some new adjustments, so maybe, just maybe, this one will work. Here we go. Here we go, right here. Levittown. Excuse me? Oh. Why is it so slow? Technical difficulties. Let's try this again. Kinda better. I'm only human. I'm just a man. Help me believe in what I could be and all that I am. Show me the stairway I have to climb. Lord, forsake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time. Sweet Jesus, that's all I'm asking from you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, help me today. Show me the way, one day at a time. 8 fall instrumental break. Do you remember when you walked among men? Well, Jesus, you know if you're looking below, what was now then was then. Pushing and shoving, crowd in my mind. So for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus, that's all I'm asking from you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, help me today. Show me the way, one day at a time. Lord, help me today. Show me the way, one day at a time. Yeah, hope. Oh, please don't move to the next song. No, please. Yeah, yeah. Did that work? Got it. Okay. This has been Hero Creeper here. I'm going to look at this recording, see how good it is, because I am honestly not so sure. And I did get a new Facebook account, because reasons. I have my reasons. But this has been Hero Creeper here, signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!